Hi, doctor. This is Sashin's mom.
यस यस बताइए.
Yeah. So yesterday, my husband has sent you the blood test report to you.
Reports are 100% normal.
Okay, but that IgE is somewhat high range, right?
Sorry.
That IgE, that particular test, the range is a little high, right?
Minor, it comes high in sometimes in this allergy cases, na?
Okay, yeah, she has rashes around her
That
mouth
I have
like
seen the
allergies.
photograph also which you have sent.
Yeah.
Okay. So the first major achievement is like she had started hearing, what I came to know.
Okay, regarding hearing, there's a slight improvement from her side, doctor. Like before, she turns only for loud claps and loud bark sounds, likewise. Now she can hear for, she is hearing the loud sounds, but
कान के पर्दे बनना आप देख चुके हैं कि काफ़ी वीडियो. आज हम आपको बताएंगे कि 8 महीने का बच्चा, हमारे पास सबसे छोटा बच्चा यही है जिसको 8 महीने के अंदर कान के जो कॉकलिया के सेल्स हैं वो रीजनरेट होने शुरू हो गए हैं. हेयरिंग लॉस था, सिवियर हेयरिंग लॉस, बहुत ज़्यादा हेयरिंग लॉस था और आज उसको सुनना शुरू हो चुका है. इसका मतलब कॉकलिया के जो सेल्स हैं वो रीजनरेट हो सकते हैं. हमारे पास हर तरह के पेशेंट हैं, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 डीबी तक के, 90, 100, 110 डीबी तक के जिनको हेयरिंग लॉस होता है. और अगर उनको सुनने में बेहतरी हो रही है, उनको सुनना अच्छा हो गया है, तो इसका मतलब कॉकलिया के जो सेल्स हैं जो अंदर कहते हैं रीजनरेट हो गए हैं, नसें सूख गई हैं, तो कॉकलिया के सेल रीजनरेट हो सकते हैं. हजारों के हिसाब से हमारे पास आज पेशेंट हैं जो इस बात का प्रमाण है. तो हेयरिंग लॉस सिर्फ जो कॉकलिया के सेल्स हैं उसको रीजनरेट करना ही एकमात्र समाधान है और हमारे पास इसकी बहुत ज़्यादा कामयाब रिजल्ट्स हैं. आप वीडियोस देखें और देखें एक अगर 8 महीने का बच्चा, 90 साल के बुजुर्ग जो हैं, सुनने की पावर जिनकी वापस आ सकती है, हेयरिंग एड जिनके उतर गए हैं, जिनको हेयरिंग एड लगा के अब पहले से बेहतर सुनना शुरू हो गया है, जिनको अब पीछे से आवाज़ देते हैं तो सुनना शुरू हो गया है, फ़ोन पे अब वो बात कर सकते हैं, इसका मतलब हमारी दवाइयाँ कारगर हैं, कामयाब हैं. एंड एवरीथिंग इन द रिपोर्ट्स इज ऑलमोस्ट नॉर्मल.
mm-mm.
Okay, so we expect that if 10% improvement has started coming in the very first month, so in the very second month, maybe it can suddenly jump to 20, 30, 40% also. Maybe.
Mm.
Okay, or otherwise, at least every month, 5, 10%, 5, 10% that will be there.
Mm.
Okay, but
For
when you
normal loud sounds, if we call her name, she turns, and there is a consistency in with her. Like if I call her names 10 times, she turning for 10 times.
okay,
Before
so
there
that was
is no
not previously
consistency
there.
with her. Yeah,
Okay, so
and the
how
babbling
much
is
feet
also
distance?
there is a good babbling with her, like ta 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 da da da, na na na. Likewise, she's babbling now.
Okay. And how much from how many feet distance you are trying to analyze?
Like not very too close, but maybe or like 10 to 20 meter, 10 meters, 20 meters,
10 feet
10,
or 10 meter?
10, like 10 feet, likewise.
10 to 20 feet.
Yeah.
Okay. So what you feel, what she had started, she responds now.
She responds for call naming her, for calling her name. She turns every time when we call her name mostly, but not for a normal small sounds, for but for somewhat loud sounds. She's
Slightly
turning.
louder you
Yeah,
have to
yeah,
speak.
yeah, but not
But
too loud. Before she turns only for very too loud sounds. But there is the difference this time. Last 2 weeks, we can see she can turn for a small loud, normal loud sounds.
so what I feel from your words is around we can say minimum 10% improvement has come up.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So in many of the children, we are already having this thing like they are passing stools, jelly-like stools or green watery
Mm.
stools sometimes, and mucus is also passing in the stools in
Yeah,
between.
mucus is also passing in a stool
Yes.
sometimes.
So yes, that's what I'm saying. In many of the patients who are 1 year, 2 year old, so many patients, not all, but many of the patients are having this symptom.
Okay.
So
Sir, we are
this is,
concerned about the rash as well, sir.
hey, I really agree with you. You can just go with simple measures like if coconut oil works, or any simple non-medicated this powder can work.
So why is that happening, sir? Is that any ingredients of the medicine is not suiting her, or her appetite is also very low? We are concerned about the rash and her
I really,
appetite.
really understand. Really, I understand, but it will be not be permanently. It is just slight phases. In the next medicine, I'll try to add up for the appetite and this
Rash.
allergy. Allergy rashes is also all over the body, no?
Not all over the body, only around
Face.
the mouth.
Mouth.
Only face.
Only
Around
at
the mouth.
face, around the mouth.
Around the mouth only. Okay, okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, only around the mouth.
Yes.
Okay. So, what we can say, this is just exteriorization.
Okay.
Something things are coming up on the exterior side, like it may be through stools or it is through the skin, and that's why the improvement is coming in the hearing, which is almost, you can also understand, this is impossible. And 1 month is very low, and if in the very first month you have got the results, it is really very great achievement and applauses to you, right? So we have to
Yeah.
have some patience.
Yeah.
Okay, and we'll add up for this whatever you told me, the rashes and the appetite.
So what
Okay.
about IgE level, sir? The elevated IgE level, we need not to be concerned about that.
For appetite,
No, for
Elevated
IgE, that rating is slightly high, right?
IgE, it is not very high. Sometimes it comes 100, 200, 500 also.
Okay.
Okay, it is just a allergy test. It has nothing to concern with the appetite. It is not a general test. General tests are liver profile, kidney profile. They are all normal. CBC is normal.
But why the stool color is dark, doctor?
Stool color.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying, na, because in a very small child, we cannot expect that she will cough or she will try to get something out. So most of the patients, if you have listened anywhere or old grandparents, they know that if anything is coming out from the stools, jelly or mucus type,
Yeah,
so
she has
that
jelly
is a
and
favorable sign.
mucus type she has.
So that is a very favorable sign that it is cleansing of the body.
Okay.
So in this case, the cleansing is being done, and it is being seen through the stools.